The best affiliate marketing tips to boost your business. Affiliate marketing is one of the more profitable home businesses that you can get involved with, but you are only going to make the profits that you dream of if you have the best information to build your business with. This video was written to help you make the most of your affiliate marketing business. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Understand the true concepts behind affiliate marketing. Spam tactics and pressure to buy will not help you to increase your sales. Remember that only people who actually buy a product will generate revenue for you. Just because someone clicks on a link does not mean you get paid. Understanding the concept can make all the difference between success and failure. Although advertising one's products on the internet can be a convenient way to reach a broad segment of the population, potential buyers can often be reluctant to buy a product that they won't be able to try on until it has arrived. For this reason, it is important to stress your liberal return policies. A great affiliate marketing tip is to enhance your review of the products you're promoting on your website. Simple reviews are okay, but reviews that contain screenshots, demonstrations or videos will definitely get the point across to your visitors. An enhanced review can convince your visitors that a product is good. Use a redirect so that you can hide your affiliate link. Some customers will just take the domain name and remove the affiliate portion of the link in the hopes that they will get better pricing by ordering direct. Using a redirect will force customers to actually use your link, saving you your commissions. Use the information that you have learned from this video to build an affiliate marketing business that brings in the profits that you dreamed of. You are sure to benefit from all of the tips and information that are included. Take them and make your business grow to be what you want it to be. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.